Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the 2019 Annual Highlighter Award Ceremony. Thank you, thank you. Tonight, we will go over all the nominees and what it takes to be nominated for this precious award, the Highlighter. Tonight, we have two nominees that have worked hard and deserving of this award and have shown what it takes. To be nominated, you must qualify and then you're judged over a strict criteria. First, you must be present where I'm at. 2, you must be nominated by someone on the Highlighter committee. 3, you must demonstrate true selflessness or accomplish some self-improvement. Not easy task when I'm the only person on the Highlighter committee. The first nominee is my sister Jessica and her charitable work with animals. Jessica flew in all the way from Seattle to be with us tonight. She was nominated by me for her hard work at Miracle Ranch. She has been teaching others how to ride horses and take care of them now for over 3 years, constantly putting her students above herself constantly. Doing all this while going to college and working full time. So I think it's time that me as a highlighter, I get to highlight her for all of her hard work that she's been doing and show that I appreciate her. So congratulations. The second nominee is a real contender. Congratulations to my dog Cutter and his newfound ability to shake. Cutter was also nominated from me for his constant ability and strive to improve. Cutter has just learned how to do tug-of-war and play fetch. And one of his crowning achievements is he just learned how to go potty in the same spot outside at just 11 weeks old. So he's potty trained. Thank you, thank you. So after seeing how close this is and after consideration on who should be tonight's highlighter and join the committee, congratulations goes to my sister Jessica.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Well deserved, well earned. We would like to take this time to recognize Jessica as a well-rounded person who has demonstrated true selflessness. I'd also like to get a warm hand of applause for Cutter. And this highlighter award isn't just any award. It truly emphasizes on people's ability to give back to their community and be recognized for it, because a lot of volunteers go without being recognized. So now, Jessica, you're now part of the highlighter committee. I hope you continue to be selfless and look for other highlighted people that deserve to be highlighted. Thank you all, everybody, for coming out. This was a wonderful show. What it takes to be a highlighter in my eyes is Jessica. She's a shining example. Oh, and don't you forget, you get a monetary prize of 10 gold chocolates.
What?
Thank you, thank you.